The loyalists are expecting us half a click to the north. Move out.
Loyalists, eh? Are those the good Russians or the bad Russians?
Well, they won't shoot us on sight, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, well, that's good enough for me, sir.
Weapons free. Got it.
Good work. There should be a few more guard posts up ahead. Kamarov and his men will be waiting for us in the field to the northwest.
Target eliminated. Target neutralized. Good night.
Guys, you smell that?
Yeah, camera off.
Welcome to the new Russia, Captain Price.
What's the target, Kamarov? We've got an informant to recover.
The M21's on the other side of the hill. The rockets have killed hundreds of civilians in the valley below.
Not so fast. Remember Beirut? You're with us.
I guess I owe you one.
Bloody right you do.
Ваня, приближайся. Приготовься к атаке. Жди моего сигнала. This way. There's a good spot. Your sniper can cover my men.
Sniper team in position. Guys, cover the left flank.
Roger, covering the left flank.
So, switch to your sniper rifle.
Commence the attack.
So, take out the machine gunners in the window so Kamarov's men can storm the building. Helicopters, Kamarov.
Protect my men from those helicopter rooms. This way.
Make it quick, Kamarov. I want that informant.
You have nothing to worry about. We'll take out BM-21s and carve a path straight to your informant, Captain. Какой статус? Сколько времени тебе нужно? Ладно, я буду продолжать, а ты наблюдать.
We should just be out, sir. Not yet. Man down. Contact northwest.
So we've got company. Helicopter troops closing in fast.
Good. Now we are making progress. Follow me to the power station. Look, the final assault has already begun. With a little bit more of your sniper support.
Enough sniping. Where is the informant?
Что ты делаешь? Что с ума сошел?
Where
Что себе
is he?
позволяешь? The house! The house of the northeast end of the village!
Well, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now go and sit in the corner.
So, Gaz, we've got to reach that house before anything happens to the informant. Let's go. Still be alive.
Guys, go around to the back and cut the power. So, get ready. Guys, do it. All right, I've cut the power. Go.
Victor! Электричество!
These night vision goggles make it too easy.
Саша! Ты здесь?
Что вы хотите? Что вы? Спецвойска?
It's him.
Nikolai, are you all right? Can you walk?
Yes, I can still fight. Thank you for getting me out of here.
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We have the package. Meet us at LZ1. Over. Bravo 6, this is Big Bird. We're on our way. Out.
Let's go.
The Americans already attacked Al-Assad!
No, they're in invasion begins in a few hours. Why?
The Americans are making mistake. They will never take Al-Assad alive.